Hello, welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food layer. In this video, you're going to find out how to make red velvet cake mix cookies. For this recipe, all you need is red velvet cake mix, chocolate chips or white chocolate chips, eggs, and flour. First, we mix all the ingredients into a mixing bowl before we form it into cookies. Go ahead and do that right now. Alright, we're going to start off with 2 large eggs. Watch me crack these right here. Ready? Yeet! Just kidding. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! They're in there. Alright. Next, let's whisk them up. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Ha! Oh, let me go get my whisk. Next, cake mix. Let's go ahead and add this to the bowl. Let me get my scissors. And boom, cut it. Yay. That's simple. Add in our eggs. Voila, you have cookies. Almost forgot. Add a half a cup of oil. Yes, that almost happened. And along with every baking cookies or cakes, add a little bit of flour. For this one, we're going to do 1/4 cup, 1/4. And finally, our white chocolate chips. You can use dark, of course. And I'm going to use the cup. Here's 1 cup. You can go nuts on this. You can go 2 cups, however much you want. Depending on how crunchy you want it. We're just going to do 1 cup for now. And we'll have a bunch on the side. Alright. And we mix it all together. Ta-da! Mixed it all up. Get a good look at that. Alright. Now we're going to put this over here. Grab our parchment paper. And we are going to make the cookies. Alright, we got them out of the oven. You gotta let them cool off for 5 to 10 minutes, somewhere around there. Minimum of 5 minutes. Now, we've waited 5 minutes. It's time to taste them. While I dig into these, you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I'll send you another video. I do 3 per week. Go ahead and check out my channel. Hit the subscribe button. And check out these videos of red velvet cake mix cookies.